Okay. All right. Now today we are going to welcome to this channel. Today we are going to be looking at, this is still Igbo class. So we are going to be looking at Ogogo na Nghọtaza, that's reading and the comprehension. Ogogo na Nghọtaza, reading and the comprehension. Okay, so we are going to Ogogo na Nghọtaza, is reading and comprehension 1. Reading, which is Ogogo, is the act of knowing what the writer has in mind. And has in mind, we read to acquire good knowledge and also to know things that happen in and outside our environment. So comprehension, which is Nghọtaza, is the ability to understand what one has read, which is confirmed with the correct answer given from the question asked. It is a reading exercise with questions to answer. That is Nghọtaza. The next one is, for one to do well in comprehension, one will read or listen to the passage several times to understand what it is all about. He must be fast in doing so in order to do it within the period of time meant for it. He will also read through the questions and understand what is expected of him or her, and to answer, and the answers will be given the way they are being asked, using one's words. So that is the thing. So you have to read it very well and understand before you start attempting the question. And look at this write-up now. We call it Ime Ọmụgwọ. Ime Ọmụgwọ. Nwa bụ ihe dị chasị oke ọnụ n'anya onye Igbo ọbụla. Ọ bụ ya mere mgbe mmadụ mụtara nwa, ọ na-enwe ezigbo obi aṅụrị. Ọmụgwọ bụ oge ahụ nwanyị mụrụ nwa ji anọ n'ime ụlọ emeghị ihe ọbụla ruo ihe dị ka otu ọnwa ọ mụchara nwa. So children is very important in Igbo land. Babies are very important in Igbo land. And whenever a woman gives birth, that Ọmụgwọ, we call it Ọmụgwọ, is a period whereby the woman that gives birth to a child will stay indoors. She will not be doing anything. She will not be doing anything. That's why in those times, her mom, or if her mom is late, her elder sister will come and take good care of her. She will not be doing anything. She will just be taking good care of her so that she can replenish the strength that she used in giving birth. Alright, so ọ bụ oge ọmụmụ nwanyị ji akpa akụ dị ha kpatara n'eze. So it's when they usually, enjoy the husband's wealth, or the husband will be taking care of her like never before. Okay, n'ala Igbo, the next paragraph. N'ala Igbo, oge ọbụla nwanyị mụrụ nwa anaghị ekwe ya. Okay, oge ọbụla nwanyị mụrụ nwa anaghị ekwe ya pụta ezi ma ya see that one. Just that whenever a woman gives birth, they don't allow her to come out. She stays indoors. That is what he's trying to explain. Ishiri di ya nri kama ọ na-anọ ọmụgwọ tupu ruo mgbe ahụ ga-agbasi ya ike. So she will stay indoors. They will be taking care of her, and until she gets herself, she becomes strong again. Now, mgbe nwaanyị mụrụ nwa, obi na-atọ ya nke ukwuu. Obi na-atọkwa di ya ụtọ na nwunye ya amụtala nwa. So whenever a woman gives birth, both herself and her husband, they are always happy. Why? Because they have a child. All right. So now we will now look at emume iri ji ọhụrụ, that is New Yam Festival. New Yam Festival. You know, Igbo people don't play with yam. New Yam Festival is a very important culture in Igbo land, so we don't play with it. Now, emume iri ji ọhụrụ bụ ihe zuru Igbo niile ọnụ. Ọ bụ ime mmemme tupu erie ji ọhụrụ. Ọ bụ eziokwu na obodo niile nọ n'ala Igbo na-eme emume iri ji ọhụrụ etu o siri masị ha, mana ihe dị mkpa bụ na ha na-asọpụrụ ji nakwa chi nwe ji. So iri ji ọhụrụ is a ceremony, is a festival whereby every community, every town celebrates it whenever they have a new yam. It's just New Year. Iri ji ọhụrụ means New Yam Festival. What are they doing? They are celebrating and giving honor to the God that has the yam. Alright, the next paragraph says, ndị Igbo kwenyere na enwere mmụọ nwe ji. So Igbo people believe that there is a spirit or a God that has yam. That's why they do that celebration. Now, aha mmụọ a ma ọ bụ chi nwe ji ka ha na-akpọ Hiajoku, Ahiajoku, ma ọ bụ Njoku ji. So that goddess or that spirit that has yam, which that is what either you call it Hiajoku or Ahiajoku, or you can call it Njokuji. In my own tribe, because I am from Anambra State, Idemili North and Oruku, to be precise. So we call it Njokuji. I could remember in those days, my grandmom used to tell me, go and bring do you want to eat Njokuji? That I don't understand until I begin to, it's a sort of education, begin to understand what, I thought it's just a name, but I don't know the meaning behind the name. I don't know that the Njokuji is the name of the spirit or the goddess or the god that has the yam. So you used to say it, do you want to eat Njokuji or go and bring Njokuji? So that is the thing. So ndị Igbo na-eme emume a otu ugboro n'afọ. So they do that celebration once in a year. Iji kelee ma sọpụrụkwa chi anwe ji etu o siri duo ha n'oge ọrụ. ọrụ ugbo nakwa ime ka ihe ha kọrọ n'ubi mee nke ọma. So they do that to thank the goddess. They do that to thank the goddess for helping them for the success of the harvest and success of the plantation of the yam, and so on and so forth. N'ala Igbo, ụbọchị eji eme emume iri ji ọhụrụ na-abụ oke ụbọchị. So that day that they do celebrate, celebrate the Igbo festival, the New Yam festival, is usually a very big occasion, very big one. Now, ụfọdụ na-akpọ ya ụbọchị Ikeji. Some people call it ụbọchị Ikeji. Sorry, let me enlarge this thing. Ụbọchị Ikeji ọhụrụ. Onye lọta o kelee chi nke mere ka ji ya dị mma. N'oge iri ji, mmadụ niile ga-eji obi ha niile na-eme ya. Oriri na ọṅụṅụ bụ ihe ndị a ga na-eme ebe niile. Obi abụrụ onye ọbụla polina. So as a kind of happiness and joy. Happiness and joy whenever we are celebrating the New Year festival. So that is that for Igbo New Year festival. It's a very big occasion, very massive one. Okay, so that is where we'll stop for today. In our next class, we will continue. And please do well to subscribe to this channel. This channel is the #1 educational Igbo and business channel. So do well to subscribe and share the video. If you have any question, you comment on the question. Thank you very much.